Hi there, Dr. Ian Channel here. Today we're breaking down a simple science-backed plan to ease GERD using the right foods and over-the-counter meds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, what meds to take, and how to combine them for maximum relief.
Stick around, you won't want to miss this.
Chapter 1. Morning Routine. Start strong.
Mornings set the tone for your digestive system, and a few small changes can make a huge difference.
First up, diaphragmatic breathing. Just 5 minutes 3 times per day can reduce stress and abdominal pressure, which are two big GERD triggers.
Next, let's talk about OTC medications.
Frequent acid reflux? Start with Pepcid Complete 1 tablet or Nexium 20 milligrams.
But don't use these for more than 2 weeks without consulting a doctor.
For extra protection, alginates like Gaviscon 10 to 20 milliliters after breakfast 3 times per day and before bed.
Before eating, 1 cup of ginger tea plus 20 drops of iberogast for better digestion and reducing acidity of stomach.
Now let's fuel your body with a GERD-friendly breakfast.
Here's a Banana-Oatmeal Smoothie recipe. 1 ripe banana, half a cup of cooked oatmeal soaked overnight for better digestion, 1 cup almond milk or oat milk, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, half a teaspoon honey, optional, and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, which is anti-inflammatory.
Blend it up until smooth and creamy. This smoothie soothes your stomach, prevents acid flare-ups, and keeps you full for hours.
Now you have a step-by-step GERD relief plan that's simple, effective, and backed by science. Try it out for just 2 weeks and see the difference for yourself.
If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment. What's been your biggest GERD struggle? I'd love to hear from you.
See you in the next video!